Alex Lopez, owner of Born Free Cycles here in Burbank, California. Specializing in all Harley-Davidsons. Start with a Harley-Davidson, you get a good basis, you get a good starting point, but everybody has to make it their own, right? So that's what we help with. Partnered up with all the, the big guys in the industry like Drag Specialties and Alloy Art, La Para, Saddlemen. If you think we look familiar, you might have seen us on Shameless. We were the shop that they featured there for 4 seasons. Lib would work here all the time. And we were, we've done some work for some of the major TV studios and Sons of Anarchy, all that fun stuff. It was built in the early 2000s in one of the biker build-off TV shows with Matt Hodge. This is the DynoJet 250. So we use this for diagnostics and we use this for your motor upgrades. We did a lot of work to this bike. It's very hidden, custom cool. A couple shovel heads in shop right now that we're working on. A Sportster in a box, and the guy had a vision. The young man had a vision. He said he wanted rigid, so we converted rigid. We chopped it, frame jigged it. I appreciate everyone that's come out to support us in the last 15 years of business. And if you haven't come out and check us out. Say hi. Talk to you soon.